Hey guys, Kieran here. Today we're going to have a look at the funded trader program from the 5%ers. I originally did a review of them back in 2019, but they've recently made some changes to their drawdown, which kind of got me a little bit interested. So I took a look at the program. I signed up for one of their small accounts. I managed to fund the account to make a profit withdrawal and to scale the account to the next level. So we're going to look at all of those things today. And I'm also going to share my thoughts on what I think of the program and how it compares to where I usually trade, which is TraderSeed and FTMO. So before we get started, let me again mention my TraderSeed program. I have my own funded trader program. I'm an official partner of FTMO and I run discounted trading programs. So if that sounds interesting to you and you want to get funded for less, check the link in the description. Okay, so the 5%ers. So one of the things that I like about the 5%ers is the fact that you can hold trades over the weekend. And this is something very unique in the industry. All of the other funded trader programs, or most of them that are available, certainly the good ones, you have to close your trades out in the funded account over the weekend. With the 5%ers, you can leave them open throughout the weekend, which is fantastic. Now, the profit share is less, it's 50-50. Usually, you're looking around 70% with FTMO, but you can understand the lower profit share because of the fact that you can hold over the weekend, which exposes them to more risk. So that's totally understandable. So let's have a look at the accounts that I traded. So let's have a look at the first one here. So this is the first one I traded back in 2019. I did a 52K account. I hit the drawdown, the max drawdown on this. The max drawdown in those days was very, very harsh. It was a 4% trailing drawdown. So as you made more profit, your drawdown trailed behind you. And really with a 4% drawdown, it's practically impossible not to hit that at some point. So I always liked the idea of leaving trades open and growing an account slowly. But with that type of drawdown, I just couldn't manage it. So since 2019, I haven't really touched the 5%ers. So this was my first chance coming back. So I just traded a small account. It was a $24,000 challenge. Now for that challenge, they give you a $6,000 account to start off with. And I passed that one. Let's have a look at these actually. So this was my account for getting the account funded. So here I had a $6,000 account and I needed to make $375. I think that's like 6% maybe. You have 6 months to do it. Max stop loss is $90. So you have to just be careful with your position sizing. And on this account, I was pretty happy. So I started here with 6,000. I only drew down really to 5,919 and then managed to catch some moves to hit the target. So I hit the milestone here of $375 and funded the account. So what's something that's unique with the 5%ers is when you're trading your evaluation, you're actually trading a real account. So once you pass the evaluation, you can actually apply to get your profit split on this. I didn't do that. And what they do is if you don't take the profit split, they just roll your 50% profits into your next account. So let's have a look at the next account. So once I got funded, I went to level 2, which is this one. So like I said, I didn't take the profit split from my evaluation. So they rolled my profit into my max loss, which is quite nice. So if you decide not to take a profit payout, you can just roll it in and then you have additional drawdown to play with in your next stage. So what happens once you're funded with the 5%ers, your next targets are then a 10% target. As soon as you hit 10%, they'll double your account again. So I was trading, excuse me, I was trading a $24,000 account. So what I needed to do was make 10% of that, which was $2,400. And once I achieved that, they'll double my account. So what I did anyway, once I hit this target, I traded here. Pretty happy with how this went. I started with 24,000 and I pretty much didn't draw down. I drew down like 6 cents, I think. And then I just caught a move all the way up here. It took quite a while, mind. I scaled in slowly. I think we can see trade duration. Most of my trades are around here, 35, 40 days, 30 days. yeah, I just caught a move, and I just slowly added risk, managed my risk all the way through, and over a couple of months just made it to the profit target. So once I hit that target, I did a profit payout. So the way to do profit payouts with the 5%ers is all you do is you just click this profit payout here. Because I've already taken the money out, there's no numbers here, but what it will say is profit on your account 2,400, which is the profit for this stage. Plus it will show you your 50% profit from any previous stages, and then it will show you the amount you can actually withdraw, which is going to be 50% of that amount. You just type in here, okay, I want to withdraw this much, click the boxes, submit payout request, and then you'll just have to invoice them for that amount. So that's how the invoicing works. And after about a week or so, I got paid, which was great. They send you a monthly payout report. This was how much, 1,398. Just a small amount. Obviously, I was just trading a small account though, but that was a nice, a smooth process. So that was good. So once I got the 10% on this level, I scaled the account to the next level, which is the level I'm at now. So this is here. Now I haven't started trading this account yet. So the last stage was 24,000. You can see the next stage I'm at now is 48,000. My profit target is going to be 10%, 4,800. So hopefully I'll hit that target, and then they'll double my account once more again. So the 5%ers, I think in my experience, was pretty good. I had an issue with my account metrics, which I spoke to support about, and they sorted out. Metrics seems pretty good. Updates a little bit slowly, but it does update. I didn't have any problems with that at all. I checked out the trading room just for the sake of research. I logged into one of their calls. It's just a Zoom call. It's pretty good. Somebody's just going through setups for the day. So that's good if you're into that sort of thing. And yeah, I mean, like I said, what I really like about this program is the fact that you can leave trades open over the weekend, which gives it something different. And the fact that the drawdown is no longer trailing and is a fixed drawdown is a big positive for them. So I think I'm going to still continue trading, this account. I still, of course, trade with TraderSeed and FTMO as my main funding partners. TraderSeed is obviously my own program, but I'll continue to trade on FTMO because I believe they still have the best conditions out there. But it's interesting for me just to see how other programs do things, particularly the account metrics, how it works, because that's really a sign of how good the program is. And all in all, yeah, I found it to be pretty good. I'd recommend it if you wanna try it yourself. Yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know. Check out my TraderSeed program. There's a link in the description. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment if you have any questions. And in the meantime, I wish you good luck.